Today, I'll show you 7 words that native Spanish speakers use all the time. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a Spanish Help for Everyone. Spanish isn't just grammar and verbs. Spanish speakers use these words all the time. They are super fun and easy to use. Okay, so we're gonna see these 7 words with fun examples, so you can use them too. Let's go, vamos! The first one is probably my favorite, Tiquismiquis. Yes, it is a real word. Tiquismiquis means someone that is picky or fussy. It also means someone that is a fussy eater. For example, we go, no seas tiquismiquis, cómete la tortilla, aunque lleve cebolla. Another example could be, María es tan tiquismiquis que tarda media hora en elegir un café. Second one, pijo or pija. In Spain, it means snobby or posh, someone who dresses or acts like if they were upper class. For example, en mi colegio había muchos pijos que vestían ropa de marca. Another example, no seas tan pija, solo es un café con leche normal, no un latte italiano. Okay, this word has another meaning. I'm not going to go into it, but if you know it, please put it on the comments. Word number 3, Friolero or Friolera, meaning someone who always feels the cold. Someone that is very cold, even when others aren't. For example, mi abuela es muy friolera, lleva bufanda en primavera. Another example, yo no soy friolero, voy en manga corta en enero. Número 4, number 4, cotilla, meaning someone that is a gossip person or a nosy person. The typical example will be, esa vecina es muy cotilla, siempre está mirando por la ventana. Another example, no seas cotilla, deja de leer mis mensajes. Number 5, if you are here, it's probably because you like the video, so like and subscribe. Number 5, Majo or Maja. One of my favorites, friendly, nice, pleasant. Common in Spain. I have been using this all summer. You can say it to someone directly, like, qué majo eres. An example for this expression, el profesor es muy majo. Explica todo con paciencia. Another example, los camareros fueron muy majos. Hasta nos invitaron a un café. An example number 6, Guiri. I do not like this one very much, but is well used in Spain, especially during the months of summer. Guiri means a foreign tourist in Spain, usually very obvious. One example for this, en Barcelona hay muchos guiris haciendo fotos. We could also say, cuando viajo a otro país, yo soy el guiri. Number 7, empanado o empanada. Colloquially, empanado o empanada. One of my favorites too. Meaning someone that is distracted, spaced out, or not paying attention. One example, estás empanado. Te acabo de hablar y no me escuchaste. Another example, en clase siempre estoy empanado después de comer. And that's it. Those were 7 words that we use all the time in Spain. Words that don't usually show up in textbooks. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out in the next videos. If you want to keep watching, check out this video about funny phrases that we use in Spain. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.